3 best planar magnetic headphones. Number 1. HiFiman Sundara. Introduction. There are two typical driver technologies found in modern headphones. There's the more traditional, dynamic driver, and then there's the relatively obscure, planar magnetic driver. Dynamic drivers are what you'll find in most speakers and headphones, usually involving a speaker cone in front of a voice coil that vibrates forwards and backwards based on an electrical charge supplied by a magnet behind the voice coil. Or something like that. Product features: best value in headphones under $500, requires a headphone amplifier, lightweight, 372G, fast transient response, excellent planar bass. Technical specifications: frequency response, 6 Hz, 75 kHz, impedance, 37 ohms, sensitivity, 94 dB per milliwatt, connector, 2 x 3.5 mm. The most notable new feature of the Sundara is its ultra-thin diaphragm, 80% thinner, to hear HiFiman tell it, than the diaphragms of its successors, the HE400SE and HE400SE. What we like: fast and detailed driver, realistic soundstage and imaging, balanced, laid-back, airy sound, great price-to-performance ratio. Number 2. Audeze LCD-2 Classic. Introduction. The LCD-2 Classic, $799, which I will be referring to as LCD-2C, is the current introductory model of Audeze's full-size LCD family of headphones. The LCD-2C is essentially a simplified version of the iconic LCD-2, as they share various design aspects and driver technologies. The LCD-2C retains the LCD-2's neodymium and 50 magnets, as well as the same magnetic structure, albeit without the inclusion of Audeze's phaser waveguide technology. What's included? LCD-2 Classic Planar Magnetic Headphones, 1.9mm 1/4 to dual 4-pin mini XLR cable, user guide and warranty card, LCD economy travel case. Technical specifications: style over ear, open back, transducer type planar magnetic structure proprietary magnet array, phase management non-phaser, magnet type neodymium N50, diaphragm type ultra-thin, transducer size 106 mm, maximum power handling 5 WRMS, maximum SPL greater than 130 dB, frequency response 10 Hz to 50 kHz, THD 100 mW, recommended power level greater than 250 mW, weight 54. Number 3. HiFiman HE400SE. Introduction. Another iteration of HiFiman's classic HE400 headphone. Back when it originally released, the HiFiman HE400 was a very well-received headphone that retailed at the mid-range price of $399.99. In the decade since then, its design has seen several revisions, and has served as the blueprint for many of HiFiman's offerings like the HE400i or the Drop Edition HE4XX. This latest SE edition, though, sees the HE400 release with many of the improvements it's gained over the Y. Specification: frequency response, 20 Hz to 20 kHz, impedance, 25 ohms, sensitivity, 91 dB, weight, 390 G.